Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn a complete troubleshooting guide for your Eufy doorbell in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to identify how Eufy video doorbell is connected. Some of the models uses Wi-Fi directly, while others depend on the home base. So if your home base is offline, your doorbell will not work properly. So in that case, you need to restart your router and home base in order to restore the connection. If your system is connected, then you can move to power related checks. If the doorbell is battery powered, the low battery can cause the delayed responses or offline issues. So make sure that you recharge or replace the battery if needed. If it is wired, you can check your transformer and wiring. The unstable voltage can cause the restarts and poor performance. Now, a weak Wi-Fi at the door is also one of the common issues. The walls and the distance can reduce the signal strength. So you can either move the router closer or you can use a Wi-Fi extender. Also, make sure that you are using a stable 2.4 GHz network for better compatibility. Now, if you are not getting the alerts or you are getting too many, then you can check the motion settings inside the Eufy application. You can also adjust the sensitivity and activity zones to match your needs. This is going to help you avoid the missed events or false alerts. Now, inside the Eufy application, you just have to make sure that you check for the new updates. If you find any of the updates, make sure that you install them timely. So this particular installation is going to basically fix the bugs. So if nothing works, the last option would be of resetting your doorbell. So you can press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 20 seconds. And after the reset, you can set it up again. This is going to clear the deeper errors and also restore the normal operation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.